Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely beautiful 1956 Chevy.
Sounds like it's got some balls too, D.
Yeah, really nice car. This one was previously owned by a gentleman that works for us. And one thing I can tell you about the previous owner, he's very picky about his cars.
Very particular.
Yes.
So when he bought it, it was a beautiful car here. He bought it about a year and a half ago. I think it's just time for something different, but he bought it, put brand new vintage air on it, new aluminum radiator, cruise control. I mean, when he took this on quite a few major cruises. I mean, yeah. I think he's put over 1,000 miles on
Doesn't
it.
Doesn't he usually always go down to
distance.
Louisiana for that big cruise? So I mean, when he builds his cars mechanically, they're really reliable, got cruise, all the options you want. This one was also rotisserie restored, so the whole body color is painted this beautiful dark blue underneath.
I like the color combination,
I do too.
Blue on blue, and then you put a lot of bling under the hood with the chrome vintage air, the aluminum radiator. Super cool. Nice paint under the hood and everything. I'll let you do this one, D, and I'll kind of help you out. I'll open the trunk.
Yeah, good thing this is an easy one.
Look at the chrome and bright work as well. Now, Jim put this on just to keep the bugs out of the radiator, you know.
And that can be removed. But yeah, look at the shine on all the chrome. And then this dark blue is really pretty. It's got a lot of metallic in it, which I think you can see in the video.
You see a lot of blue and white, but you do not see the blue on blue like this.
No. And I guess Jim said this was a factory color in 56,
really?
What he had said, but
Jim also put the brand new wheels and tires on here in the last year and a half, so US mags, brand new wheels and tires.
Front disc brakes. Even all the chrome down the side, it looks new as well.
Whoever buys this is going to be super happy. You'll be able to go to any show they want. And look how the door fits down here in the bottom of the quarter door.
The whole body is just, there's not really a ripple anywhere. Everything lines up really well. Very, very straight.
He took it to quite a few shows and did real well with it. Corners of the doors are great. Door jamb paint is as nice as the rest of the car. But look at the interior. So many people put some sort of a tweed or something different. Whoever restored this did a frame off and did the right color combination, factory interior on it.
Yep. This is added and you can get rid of it, but cup holders and the little console just sits there on the seat.
Headliner's beautiful.
The paint on the dash, they spent just as much time on the dash paint and doing that as they did the exterior. Almost looks like that was all wet sanded and buffed. Really nice shine, nice metallic. It's got a tilt wheel, upgraded radio. Really crisp. Door jamb paint's excellent. Back seat's nice, and as Chad mentioned, the headliner's really nice and tight as well.
Look at the trunk.
Above the roof's nice.
Trunk's all done very nicely in the light blue. Got the battery back here in the trunk, very nicely wired, all done professionally. Just a nice, beautiful local car show quality winner, right?
Yeah.
Boy, the driver's door
small
fits just as nice as the passenger.
Yeah, really straight. I love the chrome on these Tri-5 Chevys.
And 56s, you just don't see a 56 very often. You know what?
I'm trying to remember, I was just thinking that same thing where the gas door is on this.
It's in here somewhere. Just don't remember. Right here. Right there. Look at that. So you push that down, pop it open. Isn't that cool?
Very cool.
Now that is the neatest thing.
Yeah.
Looks like as far as imperfections, there's not much. There's two tiniest little chips right there on the inside of the door. Maybe another one up here. Just a couple tiny ones. Oh, there is a little scratch there right there.
Yep. Glass looks nice.
Yeah, all tinted glass. Again, the way the door panels fit the doors is just beautiful. I haven't drove this one yet. I'm kind of excited about seeing how this goes down the road.
Just a little, maybe when they buffed a little thin right there on the very edge. But yeah, if I know Jim, I'm sure it drives really nice.
It does. I'm sure it does. This thing starts easy, doesn't it?
Very easy starting car.
It started so good, I had to go check and make sure it didn't have fuel injection.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, seriously.
Carbureted?
Yeah, it's carbureted, but it doesn't start like it.
Yeah. Very nice.
4-speed automatic transmission is also awesome. Went the wrong way.
Someone who talks way too much about nuts.
Radio sounds good. It's got some nice speakers in here too.
Yeah, and that vintage air was professionally installed by the guy that just works for vintage air. Look how they did. They did a great job on it. And that's all right here. There you go. That all works great. Oh, the smoke, dude. This is the Gen 5. So this thing blows. I gotta get it the right way here. Don't quite know how to work it, but
Try to get it out of the fan versus the. Right now it's on the defrost. But.
yeah, okay. Air blows ice cold. Gas gauge works. We're just under a half a tank. Wipers work as well. What do you say here? He said he was having a problem with the wiper switch.
They were just working for me outside when I did the pictures.
Yeah, they were.
The switch is just a little.
Huh. I don't know. He did. It just did. Didn't
Yeah.
it? We'll have to check out the wipers, but I know the wiper knob itself needed a little
The
work.
horn work. Yep, horn works. Yep. Nice.
Temp gauge works as well, so does speedometer. And cruise works. So I know that for a fact. He had that all added. And it's a nice quiet car, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Sounds
is.
nice. It's pretty damn impressive.
Yeah, it's got good power.
You know, that 57 Chevy that we had has a ton of power as well. They're both great cars, but look at this going down the road.
Kickdown works.
Kickdown works about 70 mile an hour. I think Jim was holding out on this. This thing's pretty fast.
Yeah, it is.
It's got front disc brakes. Perfect, and they're power as well.
Nice.
Turn signal indicator works. Listen to how it idles down. It just runs beautiful. And that's that Gen 5. You can adjust that all the way down. Or up.
And I like how they did that even with the switches too. The new vintage air switches look factory.
Okay, there's our air now. So here's our fan. Our fan's all the way in the left. I should have read. Fan's all the way in the left. AC temp is right here. It's
And
cold.
then mode's in the middle.
So mode's going to switch it for us.
Yep. Okay, you got a truck coming on your right.
Now we're getting cold air through there.
Yep.
Just had to have it in the right damn setting.
Sounds good too. I like his exhaust.
Sounds amazing. Like I said, you want a nice show quality Tri-5 with cold air, radio, everything under $60,000. Beautiful paint underneath, exterior chrome. It's a good car.
Yeah,
And
it
there's
is.
not as many 56s as 5s and 7s out there.
No, you really don't see too many 56s. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.